Good morning. Welcome to the online class of class 12. So already we have done 3-4 classes of class 12 and we have discussed the chapter matrices. So today also we will continue with the same chapter matrices, and today we will discuss about the multiplication of matrices, how we can multiply a matrix by some scalar. So today we will discuss multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. So you note it down. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. So we will understand this one by one example. Suppose A is a matrix 2, 3, 5, 1, 6, 8. Suppose A is a matrix. It is a 2 by 3 matrix. And we will multiply this matrix by some scalar. Scalar means a constant. Suppose 2, 3, 4 or half, 3 by 2 and so on. Suppose we will multiply this matrix A by 2. Then we will multiply this given matrix. So suppose instead of 2 we take one arbitrary scalar k. K is a scalar. K is a scalar. Then we will multiply each element of the matrix by the scalar k. 2k, 3k, 5k, k, 6k, 8k. So it is also a matrix of the same order 2 by 3. So Ka is also a matrix of the same order. Now if we take, suppose if k equal to suppose 2, then twice a. Now put here instead of k you put 2. Four, 6, 10, 2, 12 and 16. So 2a we get this one. So if we take different values of k, we get different values of the same matrix. So this is the scalar multiplication of a matrix. Now suppose A is a matrix 2, 3, 6, 7, and we have to find out suppose 7 of A. Then with 7 we will multiply each of the element. That means how to do it directly. That time we have put k equal to 2, but how to do it directly? If it is given A is given, and if it is given we have to find out suppose 7a, then multiply each of the element with 7. If it is given 6a, multiply each of the element with 6. 14, 21, 42, 49. So this is the matrix. So this is the scalar multiplication of a matrix. Now we shall discuss another thing related to the same topic, scalar multiplication. Negative of a matrix. Suppose we take A as one matrix, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 suppose. Then negative of A, negative of this matrix A, negative of this matrix A means we will multiply this matrix A with minus 1. That means we will multiply the given matrix with minus 1. So with minus 1 you have to multiply the given matrix. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then with minus 1 if I multiply minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, minus 1 into 5, minus 5, minus 1 into 6, minus 6, minus 1 into 7, minus 7, minus 1 into 8, minus 8. So this is the negative of the matrix. Negative of the matrix means simply you have to multiply each element of the given matrix by minus 1. Means sign you change. Simply you change the sign. Plus means minus, minus means plus. Every element of the matrix, suppose A is the given matrix and you have to find out negative of that matrix A. Then every element of A, sign you change. You change the sign of every element of the matrix. Plus you make minus, minus you make plus. Suppose here minus 3 is given and here minus 8 is given. Then here minus 3, minus 8. Simply change the sign. Minus 2, here minus means plus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Here minus is there, minus, minus, it will become plus. So just you change the sign. Plus you change to minus and minus you change it to plus. It is the negative of the matrix. And A plus minus A, we always get a null matrix. We always get a null matrix. So this minus A is always additive inverse. Minus A is the additive inverse of A. So minus A is always the additive inverse of A. Additive inverse means suppose X is there. What we have to add with X to get 0? Of course minus X. Then minus X is the additive inverse of X. So what we have to add with A to get a null matrix? O, minus A. So minus A is always the additive inverse of A. So additive inverse means simply suppose if A plus B is 0, then we say then B is the additive inverse of A. So if we add two numbers and we get 0, then we say the other is the additive inverse of the given number. So if A plus B is 0, then B is the additive inverse of A, and we can say conversely also that A is also the additive inverse of B. Here minus A is the additive inverse of A, and similarly A is also the additive inverse of minus A. So suppose here only minus X is given. Suppose only minus X is given. Here only minus X is given. Now what we have to add with minus X to get 0? Of course X. Then X is the additive inverse of minus X. Similarly X plus minus X is also 0. So minus X is also the additive inverse of X. So A plus B is 0. So B is the additive inverse of A and A is the additive inverse of B. So hope you have understood in this video about the multiplication of a matrix by a scalar and the negative of a matrix and the additive inverse of a matrix. So if you have any problem, you can contact me over phone. So thank you.